Topic discuss in this video what is meant by projects. Okay, so let us start this video as in a project definitions. So as an undertaking of non-routines or non-repetitive natures, having a prescribed objectives in terms of time, scope, time, quality and cost. Quality and cost. Okay, so within the realm of this project planning, such projects can there be further defined as generally being a complex or some having the multidisciplinary involvements, having various phases in their lifespan. So overall the completions of each of these project phases are usually accomplished by finished projects or some sorts of completed projects. So actually basically when we think about as an being a coach of Indian cricket teams, you get experience some of the same three or same areas. That can be a moment as a coach. It will be a surely by getting the experience. So that is the complete process of knowing this project management. Second thing is that we have discussed majority part here. One part that may be some kinds of project planning is the comprehensive management and control of all the aspects throughout the natures, and the project management. It is necessary to understand what is a routine and raw routine natures, although the project undertake to create something new. So here we have discussed about create something new. So as a project manager, we have create something new. So project is temporary endeavor to undertake to create a unique product, services or result. So here we have a definitions to a uniqueness. Okay, some of the product or ideas. So project endeavor accomplish specific objective through the uniqueness of the sets, and it it may be some kinds of IT projects involves in a hardware or software. So networking as in a create products. So services are it may be some kinds of research. So few examples of IT projects here we have taken, because the projects of ITs and projects of some kinds of civil engineers are differ. We are not matching these two projects as well as simultaneously. The task of performance of these two projects are different. So as an IT project management, it is a different form of management of all these engineering projects. So there are various factors which influence and keep a changing during the courses. For to start within the needs of some clients for who project is undertake, so likely to change during the course of these projects. So there are the hardware compatibility issues and software glitches are there. So when once the manage to how overcome these issues, there are the security loopholes or some kinds of bandwidths are there. So the problem still in the IT project management is little bit tough, because apart from these technical problems, the project manager also lead to a team of technical qualified peoples having career issues and attributes problems. So overall the IT management as in a project management peoples, it is very challenging and make very useful interesting fields for the studies. So guys, we have undertake the firm decide to implement the integrated of the ERP projects to consolidate the information systems and replacing the companies by manually keeping the systems and web-based systems. So these are some kinds of understanding natures we have discussed here as a project. Okay, so I think you get a little bit idea about these project statements, how we can be handles, what and where it may be applicable. So different things are there, different challenges are there. In the next videos we have also taken some kinds of attributes of projects. So we startingly we stop here, so little bit to understanding the concept of basic means of the project management.